After uploading the code, you will see a Wi-Fi name, Wi-Fi password, and IP address on the TFT screen. First, turn on Wi-Fi on your mobile phone. You will see a network named Drawing Pad. Tap on it and enter the password 12345678. The same password is also displayed on the TFT screen. Once your phone is connected, open any web browser such as Chrome or Safari and type 192.168.4.1 in the address bar. The Drawing Pad page will open. From there, you can draw anything you like, and it will appear on the TFT display in real time. If you enjoyed this project, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Arduino, ESP32, and electronics projects. Don't forget to leave a comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.